Welcome back, Rich Nation. My name is AJ. Today we are finishing off the One Punch Man Season 1 OVAs 5 and 6. So we're going straight to Season 2 right after this. A good reminder, we are doing the Blu-rays for the first few episodes that the Blu-rays are available. We will have the Blu-ray versions for the beginning of Season 2. So that's a good heads up for you guys. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button. Check me out on Patreon, patreon.com/ajrich123 for full reactions and early releases. Season 2 should be on there at this point, so you can check out the first couple episodes of Season 2. And let's go ahead and start. Oh, goodness. Shit. Since when do we get that many girls on this show, it seems like? Yeah, she was shown for like a minute. Yeah, it's her sister. Yeah. Oh, maybe that's her big sister. Yeah. She's gorgeous. I think best looking girl so far in the show. He's probably not the perfect person to, you know, make you feel better. Oh, so she's not in Class S. She's probably... Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're kind of on the road. Oh, that's one way of... Yeah, of course. Just like Tornado. They're related, obviously. They are so similar, even the attitudes. Yeah, those type of girls usually don't like that. We're actually getting some real action in these OVAs, huh? That is a pretty cool ability, though. Even not doing it, like, extremely. Okay, that's a lot. We just need Saitama to run into the train. Except that would actually make it worse. Never mind. God damn. We forget how many things are connected to Genos. Genos is such a good hero. Yeah, and you have to make sure you don't mess around with certain wires or it could just go off and blow up in your face. And that would be really bad, obviously. Holy shit. Oh, I know, it's Tornado. It has to be. Oh, man. Yeah, hers, compared to her sister, man, hers is like extreme. Oh, their catchphrase. Yeah, I'm sure that, like, if your sister's always like a sibling, if they're beating you at everything, it's gonna get to you after a while. Yeah, but somebody's gonna look up to you. She obviously has people looking up to her as well. Oh, damn. This probably inspired her, though. Maybe not? Okay, maybe it did. Good, good. The Blizzard Bunch. That definitely brought up her mood. I mean, you got some stuff above or bigger than your sister, so. I actually kind of forgot about her, but I remembered her face and like her look. But if I remember right, I think she was shown maybe for a couple minutes in one of the episodes around the Sea King arc. I brain farted for a second, but I was like, yeah, I think Tornado actually did have a sister, but it wasn't really touched on that much. But it was nice to get a little development, though. No fan service. No, I mean, this is an OVA. I thought possibly we might get a little bit, but whatever. But it was nice. It was good character development for her. I don't know why I assumed she was in the S class, but she's top of the B class. And I feel like the top of a certain class is definitely a big like step on their own. And she like, and I'm glad that she kind of inspired, like a bottom of the C rank person hero. It was just kind of a nice episode, and there was more action in this episode than I think all the episodes of OVAs behind, like, yeah, all combined. So this was like the most action-packed OVA we've gotten so far. And then any more screen time for like Tornado is amazing, so we can't really complain about that, right? But anyway, let's go to the next one here. Yeah, more okay. The Zombie Man murder file? Oh, so this is right after, in between season 1 and season 2. We need that hot springs episode. Unfortunately, there's too many dudes in S class, so no fan service. Some of the S class didn't get as much screen time, so. Okay, there's our fan service ass. There we get a little bit.
そのことについて話をする名目でみんなには集まってもらったが、それはともかくとして先日の君たちの働きにはとても感謝している。
A drink so strong it can kill a dragon? Oh boy.
この人たちなかった。この平和な宴が
As usual. Oh, that's the guy that's showing to be dead. But everyone was drunk, so isn't that hard to really know what's going on if you're super wasted? Zombie Man. Of course they're gonna blame him because he was a prisoner. His name's fucking Purry Purry Prisoner. Yeah, but why would Saitama be using a sword? That makes no sense. That would make no sense. What? Even Genos would suspect Saitama? Saitama doesn't think like that, though. I mean, a lot of these guys are really suspicious. I mean, just by their look. He's got a bat, not a sword. I mean, oh, King, huh? King could be a suspect just by his, like, look alone, but... A serious bath and a serious sleep. He's a bit intimidating, to say the least. Is he gonna take on everybody? Could he take on everybody? And he's a zombie. Of course he's not dead. It's a fucking zombie, of course. It came flying through the air, so who can levitate stuff? I mean, Tornado can, but that wouldn't make sense. Oh, green light, so it's Tornado. It had to have been. I guess that's kind of true. Like, what's the point? Oh, she did do it. Shit. Wow. That's still very scary. Probably. That's why. Damn it, Saitama, it's always your fault for everything. That was a nice little episode. Actually, I think these were the best OVAs out of all of them. For the biggest point of just more action for one, and more development of the S-class heroes, which I feel like we've gotten not as much as I would like. Even though the last couple episodes was focused on them, it was really focused only on a couple. And I like how they kind of, it's funny that my mind didn't click that he's a fucking zombie. Of course he's not dead, but like it makes so much more sense now, and it makes complete sense that it would be Tornado fucking doing it. But these were really fun. I like how they kind of showed characters in their element. King seems to be intimidating as fuck. I think almost all these S-class heroes seem to be just super intimidating and unique in their own way. So I'm excited to see if we get more development of them in season 2. I kind of hope so. And I don't know, I'm very excited to start season 2. I can't wait. As you guys know, and I've said, we're doing the Blu-ray for the first few episodes that the Blu-ray is available for. So we'll be doing that, and then I'll go in, then we'll just go into the regular ones. But it's gonna be fun. We got a full season to see, another season of One Punch Man, and I'm just excited for this series. I love extra content, and these OVAs are perfect for it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you want to see the first couple episodes of season 2 already, check out my Patreon at patreon.com/ajrich123 for full reactions and early releases. You can also check me out on Twitch, twitch.tv/ajrich. Every Thursday at 2 p.m. PST, we do a reaction stream, a bunch of cool openings and endings and stuff like that, so check that out. I'm doing solo leveling here on the channel as streams on Fridays and Saturdays on YouTube, so you can check that out as well. Those have been fun. And I'll see you guys on season 2. Bye-bye.